Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to solve this equation, this problem, right? First I'm going to take a substitution that sin inverse x is equals to t. Now I'm going to take sin in both sides. So sin inverse x, when I take the sine of this sin inverse x, it becomes x. Then when I take sine in right hand side, this is sin t, right? Now I am going to differentiate this respect to x. Then this becomes 1 times dx. Right hand side becomes differentiate of sine is cos. This is t, then this is also t, and then I'm going to multiply this by dt, right? Then I can write this as dx equals cos t times dt. Now I'm going to substitute these results for this problem. This is integral e. Now I know sin inverse x is t, right? I'm going to write this as t, and I also know dx is cos t times dt. Now I'm writing cos t times dt for dx. Okay, now I have et times cos t. In this step I am going to do the integral by parts. Let's say cos t, I am going to integrate et inside the derivation. Then integration and differentiation are cancelling and dt is still there. When I apply the integral by parts, these two are multiplying, et times cos t minus, this is still there, et times, I am going to multiply the differentiation of cos t. Differentiation of cos is minus sign. This is t, then I am writing this as sin t, but there is still integration, right? Now I am taking the negative sign, negative outside of the integration, then minus times minus is plus, right? Et times cos t plus integration of et sin t dt. Et cos t plus integration, I'm going to write sin t here, and I'm going to integrate et inside the derivative, d times dt dt times et dt, right? The integral of et is cancelling by the differentiation, so it's still et, right? Now I'm going to apply integral by parts again, et cos t plus multiplication of these two, et times sin t minus integration of et times differentiation of the sin t. We know the differentiation of a sine is cos. This angle is t, so I am writing t here. Then I'm integrating this in t, so there is a dt here. I'm going to solve this one. Cos plus et sin t minus integration of et cos t dt. this is the function we are solving, right? Here this is et cos t. Here in here it is also et cos t. This is I, right? Here et cos t, integration of et cos t. Now I'm going to write this as I. These are common, right? I'm going to take common factors outside of the here, plus sin t minus I. Now I'm going to add both sides I, then it is 2y equals et times cos t plus sin t, right? Now I'm going to divide by 2, et sin t plus cos t over 2. In the problem it is in the x world, right? Now I have to write this answer in x format, otherwise in x world. I add the c constant because of this is a integration, right? We know we have to add a plus c in every integration. So I'm going to change the word, right? Sin inverse x is t. Now I'm going to substitute here e times sin inverse x is t, then e to the sin inverse x over 2 sin t is x, right? Plus cos t is sin inverse x plus c. This is the solution. Okay guys, that's it. If you have any questions, please comment, right? I will answer all of them with my time. I will surely reply them. So thank you guys for watching, and also please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you think this is good, please share with your friends also. Okay, thank you, see you, bye.